guys, First Boy 37 here. This is our third attempt going at this. Okay, so we take our half a cup of hydrogen peroxide, we pour it in to our half cup. We'll try to fill it up close to the top, like I did. Then we take this and pour it in.
Next, you're going to squirt a bunch of Dawn into there.
Wait, no. I thought she said food coloring.
Number 2 is the dish soap.
Okay. Squirt a lot. Oh, we do not need that.
Correct.
So.
That looks good.
Okay, so do we mix this up?
Now it says 8 to 10.
No, wait. We put the water in. 8 to 10.
Number 3, food color in bottle.
Oh. So 8 to 10 drops. So. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Now you're going to add your package of yeast to your mixing bowl. The whole package of yeast into that mixing.
This?
Yep. Empty it all out. Make sure it's all in there. Now you're going to take your tablespoon measurer and you're going to do 3 tablespoons of water in with the yeast. Fill them all the way to the top.
One. 2.
Now you're going to take your spoon and you're going to mix that yeast and water until it's completely dissolved. No more powder in there at all. Just keep stirring and stirring. Get the sides. Scrape the sides so you can get all that yeast in there. You want Grandma to help? Here, you record me for just a minute while I get this stirred up.
Sorry, I'm just not that great.
Really stir it up. We're getting rid of all of that chunky, powdery stuff.
Greatness.
Greatness.
That we will pour into that. I will really hope this works this time. Well, we are using expired yeast, so...
Yes, we are using expired yeast. So
it's only a few months.
We're praying for the best.
You might want to get some of that on the side.
This is taking a while, and it might be because it's expired. Who knows?
Yeah, who cares? This is from Toothpaste that we're going to make.
Okay.
Okay. And
so
then
I'm going to set that down, and we're going to switch hands here. And now you're going to put...
This is the moment of truth. We're going to put
the funnel back on top.
Put the funnel back on top. And then we pour this yeast concoction into here.
Please work, please work, please work.
Are we using the wrong... Oh, it's rising! It's rising this time. It's rising this time. It's rising slowly, but it's rising. That's what it's supposed to do. There we go. Hey, let's go. Don't stop, don't stop, don't stop. Okay. I'm just gonna let it move. I'm not gonna touch it. Well, this is gonna be hot. Fill her still rising. It's taking a little longer than I expected, but that's not the big deal.
And that's probably because we used expired yeast.
But
we did get bubbles, didn't we? And it's still coming up.
We're going to want it to get all the way up to the top for it to be considered elephant toothpaste. We are getting close to the top of our Coke bottle. Or no, it's actually Dr. Pepper, but you can use any kind of bottle you want. Oh, it's getting close. Wow. This is so cool. Oh, it's still rising. It's taken a little bit slower over time because we were using that. Now we'll see. Wow. This is going to be cool coming out of the top. Here we are. The moment of truth. Will it overflow? I think it will. Let's move everything away for this. It's actually rising this time. Last time we failed because it wasn't rising. Okay, don't press anything. Okay, yay. Here it is. Elephant toothpaste. Here it comes out of the top of the bottle. Here we go. Just like the videos. Wow. I'm surprised this even worked. Look at that. Oh, that is hot. If you put your hand near it, it is hot. So just be aware whenever you're using this concoction of elephant toothpaste, never touch it until you've waited about, I think, 10 minutes, is it? Until it cools down. Okay, that's really cool. It's just gonna fill the whole bottle. Wow. Can I see this?